Have you ever dreamed of having youthful, pain-free knees again? Today, I'm going to share an amazing natural remedy that could make that a reality, and it comes from an unexpected place. Picture this. It's a sunny day in Okinawa, Japan. 84-year-old Miwa is out in her garden picking leaves from a familiar tree. For decades, her people have used these leaves to soothe aching joints. Now science is catching up to tradition, and the secret healing powers of guava leaf are being uncovered. Knee pain is incredibly common as we age. It can seriously impact our quality of life, restricting movement and causing daily discomfort. But what if I told you that help could be growing right in your backyard? Japanese researchers were curious about local wisdom, and what they found may surprise you. In a double-blind clinical trial, they had knee pain sufferers drink guava leaf tea or a placebo daily. Within just 12 weeks, the tea drinkers reported significantly less stiffness and tenderness. Tests showed reduced swelling and inflammation too. Best of all, no side effects were reported. Why were guava leaves so effective? Analyzing the leaf's compounds provided some answers. Guava is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals linked to inflammation and aging. It also contains calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C, all crucial for bone and joint health. But the real stars are anti-inflammatory compounds that match prescription medications in their potency. They calm irritation at a cellular level while also improving circulation. This dual action helps knees recover their mobility and flexibility over time. One of the best ways to obtain the benefits of guava leaves is through its tea. It is very simple to prepare this tea. Want to learn how to make it? Grab a pen and paper to write down the recipe. You will need 1 tablespoon of fresh guava leaves, 400 milliliters of water. To prepare, start by boiling the water, then add the guava leaves. Wait 30 seconds and turn off the heat. Cover the container and let it infuse for 15 minutes. Strain and drink right away. In addition, it is important to adopt a healthy lifestyle. So keep a balanced diet, regular physical exercise, and avoid being overweight. These factors are important for joint health. Now let's go back to our story. Fast forward to today, Miwa is still thriving in her garden at age 94. She attributes her quality of life to guava leaf tea, which she brews daily. Now a new generation of Japanese elders are rediscovering this ancestral remedy. They're keeping knees limber and pain-free in a natural way. So if you've begun to feel those aches and pains creep in, guava tea may help restore your youthful stride. It's easy to brew at home using just fresh leaves. Take some notes from Miwa. Add longevity to your years by adding this anti-inflammatory elixir to your routine. Your knees will thank you. If you found this information useful, click the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, take the time to watch the suggested videos above on the same topic.